So यहाँ पे कौन था? Cholas, and this side is after the Pallavas. This side is Cholas, and they are from 850 AD to 1300. And this side is who is there? Yes, tell me. Rashtrakutas, and Rashtrakutas was till 900 AD. 950 बोलो 900 AD. And after the 900 AD क्या रहा है मेरे सामने? After the just कौन मैंने बोला? Yes, who is there? Rashtrakutas. Who is there? Rashtrakutas, Cholas, Rashtrakutas. Yes, speak with me. Rashtrakutas, Cholas, Rashtrakutas and Cholas. Rashtrakutas and Cholas. Understood it? And thereafter I said that this side Karnataka, Koshala of Dwar Samudra. This side I said that Yadavas of and 9 to 1350. 900 to 15 and 1350 to 1650. And then Yadavas of Devgiri removed, and then here is coming of Bamani, and there is a coming of what? And all Vijayanagar. So simple. And the Vijayanagar had removed who can? Nayakas. And Nayakas are, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ architecture wise, but this side is in a Bahmani empire is there. And slowly Mughal has covered. And who is the Mughal? You must be knowing. Aurangzeb, 1650 AD. And 1658 से हमने क्या बताया था? 1658 to 1707. Who is there? Aurangzeb. यदि period याद रखोगे, you can consider the who has attacked. All the Bahmani empire captured, and this side I said that slowly Shivaji started, Marathas started growing. And this side slowly who started growing? Mysore. Understood? Getting my point? So this is the way that slowly other empire growing over there. तो आप लोग next classes में ancient medieval में पूरी pictures कैसे हो रहा है, we'll see that. ये चीज नहीं करेंगे, then you can't understand the art and culture. Who is coming and thereafter what kind of development is taking place. Again I said that. याद हो चुका है till now? If I'll ask any period, you can tell me which kingdom is there? 300 to 550. Guptas. मत भूलो यार. Don't forget. 5 lakh to 1000. Who is there? Just tell me fast. Stone Age. And thereafter, इसी period में क्या था? IBC, Indus Valley Civilization, and that is from 2500 to, yes, fast. And then it has shown architecture. हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे? Architecture. Will study architecture in which? IBC. In which? Thereafter I said Vedic age, and then Vedic age में there is ना early Vedic, later Vedic. यहाँ पे grow होगा? Yes, tell me. Architectural and any art and culture? No. Yes. No. Only music is something like this. Thereafter coming of whom? Later Vedic के बाद 16 Mahajanpas. Who can? And what is the Magad period? Tell me. 600 to 400. During this Buddhism. And thereafter Mauryas. What is the period? 200 BC. And the lots of architecture. Which are the famous architecture? Yes, tell me first. Stupas, Viharas, palaces, pillars. Yes. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Why it is? Yes, tell me. Stupa क्यों हुआ? Stupa started growing because of what is an Asoka. Yes, और उनके लिए monk चाहिए था. There is some place where they can live. Therefore, Viharas. Understood? The followers. अभी वहाँ पे ज़्यादा ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था. It is not like this that is Chaityas are not coming. And thereafter I said again I told you what? ध्यान से क्या मैंने बोला? Yes, palaces where the kings are living. And then he tried to increase there is principle of Buddha and his principle on Dhamma and all. That is when I said that pillars पे edict there. Yes, और एक pillar का weight होता था 50 ton. How much? 40 to 50 feet and something like this. And all along the roads and here and there. And you can see that so many pillars has been. And after that, there is rock cut caves where the people, monks can live in the form of Bihara or other can be developed in this region. Understood it? So these are the 5. During which period? Mauryas. But Maurya has been finished. The Brihadratha was finished by whom? Sungas. And he was in a Brahmanas. And you know that वो already Buddhism को followers को देखकर already Ashoka and all they are what is a completely follower of Buddhism. Therefore I said that he itself killed whom? Brihadratha, and coming of Sunga. And at the same time Sunga, and the Sunga is linked to small, and then there is a what? Indo-Greeks. North में कौन आ गया? Kushanas, Sakas, Satavahanas. Able to locate? And what is the period of it? 100 BC to 300 AD. And this 200 BC to 300 AD. Which are the rulers are there first? Sunga, Indo-Greeks, Kushanas, Sakas, Satavahanas. And they are known as